All right, guys, shop update time. It's been a while since we've made a video, a shop update video, that is. We've kind of got a lot going on today, been spraying a lot, been doing a lot of stuff. We have a lot to talk about in this video. We are currently at around 905 subscribers, I do believe, which means we are almost to 1,000 subscribers. Which means we are almost ready to give away the paint guns. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go back in my videos or type in BPB Restorations giveaway. And we are giving away 2 sweet DeVilbiss starting line paint guns. A couple things I wanted to go over with that before we go check out our other stuff, what we got going on. Do not forget to change your subscription from, if you set it up private, to public. That way when we make our drawing or do the drawing, we will be able to see your name in the list of names. That's very important. If it just says private, then we won't know who to give it to. We'll have to go on to the next person. This giveaway is no cost to anyone. When we do the drawing, we will do that on the Friday after we hit 1,000 subscribers. It'll be locked in at 1,000 subscribers, and it's no cost to anyone. Also, we will, in that video, we will put an email link in the description, and the winner will be able to email us, and then we'll privately get get your information and get it sent to you. Another thing is, since we're almost at 1,000, that's like a big accomplishment for us. We've been going at it for almost a year. I think a year coming up on like the 19th is our official date we started. We're really excited. We've come a long way. Our videos come a long way. We've done a lot of improving, and we still have a lot. We learn every day. I love the YouTube community. You guys have been awesome, very helping, and there's always a few buttholes, but hey, you have that. But let's go check out what we got going on today, so we can get to this video, the shop update video, and we'll get back to the rest of that later. All right, guys, today, or all evening, I guess, this is a snow day for me. We got, our travel advisory was red, and we had like 4-foot drifts out in the road, so they're not going to start plowing until morning. So we got these quarter windows. We're getting ready. We're going to be rehabbing those. I made a separate video on that. You guys can check that out if you need to know how to redo your quarter windows. We're going to be sanding or priming all this stuff here, the hatch, the spoiler, and the quarter windows, the rubbers or whatever these are. We're going to go ahead and the outside edge of them, spray those, and that's probably going to be done here real shortly before I call it a night. But a little bit earlier, it's already set up now. It's been setting for a few hours, but a little bit earlier we got this door sprayed. It had got dinged. If you had seen our startup video on this car, I think I talked about it a little bit. But yeah, it got dinged a little bit at the bottom corner, so we went ahead and gave it a quick respray. That sucker turned out sweet. Very little cut and buff. This thing is a race car, pretty much. I mean, it's a nice race car. Don't get me wrong. We've put a lot of money and time in it, but it's not a ton of money because I've done it on a total budget. It's basically our budget build. It was pretty much scrap. Got it for like $2,500. And have completely redone the whole thing, pretty much every nut and bolt on it. I mean, everything's been out of it, plumb down to the wiring harness. We had to take it out, completely redo it, run new wires in it because some of them were messed up from the TFI module. over to the coil. But if you guys are interested in that, check that video out on this car. This thing sounds amazing. Yeah, everything gets cut and buffed, so there is a little orange peel, no big deal. But like I said, race car, so I don't even know if I'll cut and buff it, because it's just going to go fast. Let's hope. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and say one last thing, and that is make sure you guys make sure you get the notification for the giveaway. Make sure you hit the bell. When you hit subscribe, hit the bell. Make sure you go steal your significant others, your grandmas, your grandpas, your moms, your dads, whoever. Take their phone, go hit BPB Restorations, hit that subscribe button, because somebody needs to get some new paint guns soon. Real quick. We're ready to get them out. We want to get this out hopefully before the 1 year. That would be awesome. So I think that's all I got, guys. Pretty much. Oh, I guess, yeah, the Impala. It is completely, the panels are completely flushed out now here on the doors. I've got them both sides completely flushed out. I've made one video on the one. If you guys have seen that, if not, check it out. Show car gaps, nice flush, everything perfectly flush around it. I'll show you guys how to do that. Yeah, check that video out. I'll try to put these videos that I'm talking about down in the links so you guys can see those, so you don't have to hunt for them. I do believe that is all I have. Thanks for watching my update video and listening to me rant. I'm gonna get to spraying these parts.